Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that's just as important as your workout itself, your pre-workout meal. What you eat before you hit the gym can make all the difference in your performance, energy levels, and even your results. Forget those expensive sugary pre-workout drinks. We're going back to basics with a clean, powerful, and delicious meal that will fuel your body the right way. We're making a classic for a reason. Grilled chicken breast, fluffy brown rice, and steamed broccoli. It's the ultimate trifecta of lean protein, complex carbs, and essential micronutrients. This isn't just about throwing food on a plate. It's about building the perfect fuel source. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to prep in advance, saving you time and keeping you on track with your fitness goals all week long. So let us get into it, and I'll show you how to master this simple yet super effective meal. First up, our protein powerhouse, the chicken breast. We're starting with a beautiful lean chicken breast. The key to making it juicy and flavorful, not dry and boring, is all in the prep. We're not going to douse it in heavy sauces or oils. Instead, we're keeping it clean and simple. A little bit of olive oil, just enough to coat it. Helps with the grilling and adds some healthy fats. Now for the flavor. A good sprinkle of sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper is a must. Don't be shy with the pepper. Adds a nice little kick. I also love adding a bit of garlic powder and paprika. Paprika not only gives it a wonderful, subtle, smoky flavor, but also a beautiful color when it's grilled. We're just going to rub these spices all over, making sure every inch of the chicken is seasoned. This simple step is what elevates it from just fuel to a meal you'll actually look forward to. With our chicken seasoned, it's time to get it on the heat. I'm using a grill pan today, but an outdoor grill works great too. You want to get the pan nice and hot over medium-high heat? You'll hear that satisfying sizzle the moment the chicken hits the pan. That's what we want. That sound means we're getting a perfect sear, locking in all the juices and flavor. We'll cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your chicken breast. A great tip is to avoid pressing down on the chicken with your spatula. Let it cook undisturbed to develop those beautiful grill marks and a nice crust. Also, resist the urge to cut into it to check if it's done. A meat thermometer is your best friend here. You're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This guarantees it's cooked through safely, without being overcooked and dry. Once it's cooked, this is a crucial step. Let it rest. Take the chicken off the grill and let it sit on a cutting board for at least 5 minutes before you slice into it. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every single bite is tender and moist. Trust me, this small moment of patience makes a world of difference. While our chicken is resting, let's move on to our energy source. Next, we have our complex carbohydrate, brown rice. Brown rice is a fantastic choice for a pre-workout meal because it provides a slow, steady release of energy. Unlike white rice or simple sugars that can cause an energy spike and then a crash, brown rice will sustain you through your entire workout. Cooking perfect brown rice is easy. The ratio I always use is 1 part rice to 2 parts water. So for 1 cup of brown rice, you'll use 2 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil, add the rice, give it a quick stir, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, and let it simmer. Brown rice takes a bit longer to cook than white rice, usually about 40 to 50 minutes. The key is to not lift the lid while it's simmering. Let the steam do its work. Once all the water is absorbed, turn off the heat and let it sit, still covered, for another 10 minutes. This final steam and dress step is what makes the rice extra fluffy. Then, just fluff it up with a fork, and you'll have perfectly cooked brown rice every time. It's the ideal base for our meal, ready to soak up all the delicious flavors. And now for our greens. We're using broccoli, one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can eat. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. For a pre-workout meal, steaming is the perfect cooking method. It's quick, easy, and it preserves most of the nutrients, unlike boiling, which can leach them out into the water. All you need is a pot with a steamer basket and about 1 inch of water. Bring the water to a boil, add your broccoli florets to the basket, cover the pot, and let it steam. You're looking for a vibrant, bright green color and a texture that's tender but still has a slight crunch. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Over-steamed, mushy broccoli is no one's friend, so keep a close eye on it. A little crunch means it's packed with life and goodness. A simple squeeze of lemon juice over the top when it's done is all it needs to brighten up the flavor. All right, our components are ready. So the chicken is rested and juicy, the brown rice is fluffy, and the broccoli is perfectly steamed. Now it's time for assembly. This is where the meal prep magic happens. We can portion these out into containers for the entire week. Let's build our plate. We'll start with a generous scoop of that fluffy brown rice, and let's slice our grilled chicken. Look at that perfectly cooked, tender, and juicy inside. We'll lay those beautiful slices right next to the rice. Add a healthy portion of our vibrant green steamed broccoli. The colors on this plate alone just scream health and energy. To finish it all off and bring everything together, a final touch of fresh flavor. Squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the chicken and broccoli really brightens everything up. The acidity cuts through the richness and makes the flavors pop. And of course, one last sprinkle of freshly cracked black pepper over the entire plate. It's simple, clean, and incredibly effective fuel for your body. And there you have it. It's a perfect pre-workout meal. We have our lean protein from the chicken to support muscle repair and growth. We have our slow-release energy from the brown rice to power you through every single rep. And we have our essential vitamins and minerals from the broccoli to support overall health and function. This isn't just a meal, it's a strategy. By fueling your body properly, you're setting yourself up for success. You'll have more stamina, more strength, and you'll recover faster. Plus, meal prepping this in advance means you have a healthy, delicious option ready to go. No excuses, no last-minute bad choices. I really encourage you to give this a try. See how you feel during your next workout after having a meal like this. You'll be amazed at the difference real food can make. It's all about creating sustainable habits that support your fitness journey in the long run. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to take your pre-workout nutrition to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and fitness tips. Let me know in the comments what your go-to pre-workout meal is. Stay strong, eat well, and I'll see you in the next video.